Hear the train until they turn on the siren.